and we're fitting a Mugen spoiler. So let's get straight into that.
Show it off, show it off. Look at that.
It's a bit dusty because it's been sitting in the workshop, but
beautiful.
You can rest it on there like that. Jesus, it's a completely fucking different red. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. As you can see, I've literally just got back from work and we're fitting a Mugen spoiler. So let's get straight into that. So the first thing you want to do, you've got this little black panel here. Just, it's so stiff, but you just want to get that off. It just pulls off eventually. There we go, that's that. And then you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts there. Then you've got another 2 over here. 1, 2, and that's on both sides. So all of the bolts holding the old wing on are all a 10mm head. Did that go in my boot? Oh well.
One less to worry about.
Stop getting close up to that spot, boy. Got all your bolts out. Get your brake light cable out. Whop that out. And then your old spoiler's off. That easy.
And you're left with a manky surface.
Yep, I'm gonna give that a clean.
Or one no spoiler.
Yeah.
How old was this car? 15 years?
Yeah,
15 years of grime.
Disgusting. Disgusting. So now we've got the old one off, cleaned it up-ish. Time to put the new one on. It's got bolt holes there.
Freshly sprayed.
Freshly sprayed what? So when you
show it off, show it off. Look at that.
It's a bit dusty because it's been sitting in the workshop, but
beautiful.
You can rest it on there like that. Jesus, it's a completely fucking different red.
Yeah. On the camera it's coming up alright.
That's what it should look like.
Yeah, that's what your whole car should be.
It might come up alright after a wash.
I don't want it to fall. I don't want it to.
Stays on.
You're hoping?
No, that's how I done it first time.
Oh, you've already tried to fit it?
I've already fitted it.
Oh, right. Fair enough.
Yeah.
So yeah, get your new bolts. And then literally just repeating the process of taking it off, putting bolts in. Obviously there's no break in the Mugen wing, so you just have to isolate this with some wodgy electrical tape.
I think these are the M8.8. No idea, but they work.
They're going in. Yep, just whop your 4 bolts back in there.
Yeah, the issue is the bolt holes don't line up perfectly.
They never do.
Exactly. Right. I need light.
I was fully expecting that to just flop off, but it stays there. Looks nice, man. We are just finishing off putting all the bolts,
Apart from one.
Well, nearly done. Back in. So we've got all of them in there. And you can put this trim panel back on. And then it's pretty much
Still got to put the blade in.
spoilers on. So we are at the final stages of putting the Mugen wing on. Just putting some self-tapping screws to hold the blade in. All the bolts are in the bottom. Ollie's going maximum extension with this ting. Look how much fucking flair that's got. Looks nice though.
It's an upgrade, isn't it?
Definitely is. Definitely improves the look. Getting the second screw in the second side now.
This is not a bodge. Oh, the paint shop painted over my holes.
The holes are there.
The holes are there.
It's just, yeah, we have to find them. Oh, there's a drill.
It's just not a bodge.
So this kind of indicates how much flair you want it at. You can have it at more if you want it. Oh no, because you... It looks nice. Goes in quite easily. Holes are there. So if you're going to buy one, the holes are going to be there. Went for a black blade, just to give it a bit of contrast against the other black stuff on the car. And I think he's changing his wheels soon, but we don't know yet. Pending future video. As you can see, it's kind of raining, so this is not exactly enjoyable.
No, this is disgusting. Oh, fuck.
You're probably going to get a lot of comments. Why are you drilling it? Bolt it!
Get in there, mate. No, that ain't going nowhere. Maximum downforce.
On a front wheel drive car.
That is swag though.
So that is underneath here completely done.
Yeah, so now we've got that in.
And the spoiler completely on.
We can just crack this plastic trim back on, which slots in on there, and then just whop, back on, buddy. Right, so let's just shut that gently.
Looks absolutely mad.
And that's a Mugen Wang. Not bad at all. So that is how you install a Mugen spoiler. Not too bad of a job. It's just a shame it's raining. So yeah, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week. Don't know if you can see, but we're over here at Surrey Rolling Roads for the £40 dyno day on a Saturday, and just see what the Civic makes unmapped.